What is going on, everybody? Josh White here, and you're watching another episode of the JDub Twins. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button down below so you can get notified of our latest videos. Today I'm excited because I'm going to be opening this box for you all, or these boxes actually. Yeah, there you go, you can see them. They are a new set of rims that I got from Project 6GR. So I am very happy with the Performance Pack 1 rims. However, just wanted to get a bigger set. These are 20-inch rims. I got 20 by 10 for the fronts and 20 by 11 for the rears. Yeah, gonna unbox these for you guys. I have already unboxed them, but I'm going to be re-unboxing them for you guys so that you guys can see what the rims look like. And the only reason why I don't have them on my car yet is because I'm still waiting for the tires to come in. I ordered the Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s, which are a pretty popular tire. The only reason why I didn't get the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's is because they are pretty expensive, and from what I've seen in reviews, the Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s are a pretty good tire, and they are significantly less expensive than the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. So, decided to go with those, but still waiting for them to come in. I got them through Discount Tires, and they're still waiting. I'm still waiting on like the 4th tire to come in. So, once that comes in, bring these bad boys over to Discount Tires and get them put on so I can show you guys. But for now, I'll just show you what the rims look like. I don't know, I think they look awesome. And so this way, these will be my summer rims with the summer tires, and then I'll have the Performance Pack 1 rims be my winter or all season tires on them for, you know, the winter weather coming through here. So, okay, let's get it. All right. See, so yeah, that's why I have the box upside down so that it's not resting on the rim right here. But anyways, these are it. Now let me pull it out. All right, so this one is wrapped, like they have like saran wrap on the front. I mean, this is my first time ever getting like aftermarket rims, so maybe I'm sure this is like a common thing that companies do. But yeah, kind of have the front of the rim saran wrapped and has like this, I don't know what to call that, like some type of net or something to kind of keep the face from getting scratched up or scuffed up. And these are satin black. I believe this one is the, let's see, 20 by 11. Okay, well, it's upside down, but 20 by 11, offset 50, satin black. And so, if you're not familiar with Project 6GR, these rims, the offset and the width is supposed to be like perfect for like having that flush to the fender well look. So I'm hoping that that is the case. But I'm gonna leave the plastic on there, just, you know, to help kind of keep protection on there until after I'm able to get the rims to Discount Tires and they install them. But very excited. It's kind of like it has like a 5-spoke to like 10-spoke style, and they should be significantly easier to clean because as much as I love the Performance Pack 1 rims, they are a pain in the butt to clean. So these should be a lot easier, you know, to be able to get into and clean them. But yeah, no, I think they look awesome. Very excited to get them put on. Can't wait to see how it looks on the car. I mean, of course, there's pictures. I've seen pictures of, you know, this style rim on the Mustang GT Performance Pack 1. But I haven't seen it actually on a Velocity Blue with the satin black, so I'm hoping it turns out pretty good. Looking forward to getting these on, but just wanted to show you all what they look like. Hopefully this week I can do another video and have them actually on the car. My intent is to have a set of summer wheels and a set of winter wheels, and so obviously these will be my summer wheels, and I'll have my the Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s on these rims, and then for the Performance Pack 1 wheels I'll have my Continental Extreme Contact DWS 06s, I think they're called. Yeah, so those would be my winter or all season tire on those wheels. And so it'd be a lot easier to kind of just swap them out. And it didn't feel right doing a video without actually showing my car. So thought I'd come outside and just kind of get some footage of her. I actually just cleaned her today, washed her, and then wiped her down with some of that that Seal and Shine sealant. So she's looking clean. But yeah, again, see, nothing wrong with these wheels. They look great, but they are just a pain in the butt to clean. Again, having to get in between all of those spokes, it is very time consuming. And you know, not that it's not worth doing, but the rims that I got should be a lot easier to clean, and they also look badass, so figured why not. For the current setup I have, my car is lowered on the Ford Performance lowering springs, which lowers it about 3/4 of an inch. So what I'm hoping is that with these new rims, it'll fill the wheel well a little bit more, and then they'll also be pushed out so that they'll be more flush with the fender. Because as you can see right now, these rims are, you know, tucked in. And some people like that look, and some people prefer that look. One, because you don't have to worry about getting rocks kicked up and potentially scratching the paint. But then two, well, actually I don't know why else they wouldn't want their their wheels pushed out to the fender. But I'm not a huge fan of it. I mean, it doesn't look bad. Again, at one point I did get the wheel spacers, and I was gonna put them on, but then I was just too scared to put them on because I've heard the horror stories about people getting wheel spacers and then having issues. So I figured, why not just get a wider rim with a offset that just, you know, solves the issue. And I could feel more confident with that. But yeah, so the way it is now, it's still a pretty decent, you know, wheel gap. So hopefully those bigger rims will fill the wheel well and kind of give it a more fuller look. And yeah, just didn't feel right to make a video and not show any of the cars, so that's why I just want to come out here and let you guys take a look at her. Alright guys, so if you like what you're watching, please subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and stay tuned for the next JDub Twins episode. Alright.